Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight dates are earlier or greater than today's date. So here I have a list of dates, and here's the final result, what the conditional formatting is going to look like. So here in column C, I have the conditional formatting set to highlight all the dates that are greater than today's date. And today's the 15th of January. And in column D, I have the conditional formatting set to highlight all the dates are earlier than today's date. Alright, so here's our data. And so what you want to do is, the first step is you want to go to Home and go to Conditional Formatting. You want to choose Manage Rule. So here we're going to create new rules. And for the first row, so click on the create new row. Under the new formatting rule dialog, and choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here, since we already highlight the cell range that want to apply the conditional formatting, so basically we just need to provide a formula that evaluate the outputs to. And so the formula is really easy. So select the first cell on the top. You want to remove the $sign before the number, so that way that when you autofill the formula, and in this case the conditional formatting is going to autofill the formula in memory, the cell reference is going to adjust the cell address accordingly based on the formula. And next we need to insert the greater symbol, and we're saying that if this date is greater than today's date, and we don't need to remove the $sign, we can just leave the cell reference locked. And if this formula evaluates as true, and that means that we want to apply the conditional formatting. So here I'm going to just pick a background color and a sky light blue, and click on OK, and click on Apply. Oops, looks like I forgot to apply the conditional formatting to all the cell references. So let me just highlight that and click on Apply. Now we know how to create a rule to apply conditional formatting to highlight all the dates are greater than today's date. Now we can follow the same step and to highlight all the dates are earlier than today's date. So here in the formula text box, I'm going to select my first cell reference and remove the $sign. And here we want to use the last symbol, and then click on the today's date. Now click on Format, and here I'm going to choose a different color and click on OK. And now click on Apply to finish the, oops, again I forgot to highlight the cell reference again. So let me highlight the cell reference that I want to apply the conditional formatting. Now click on Apply and click on OK. And this will highlight all the dates are greater or earlier than today's date. And I hope this is useful. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next video.